Tamariki got the chance to whanaungatanga with like-minded students at a Kī-o-Rahi Tournament organised by Gisborne Intermediate School yesterday. Kī-o-Rahi is a ball sport played in Aotearoa, New Zealand with a small round ball called a kī. It is a fast-paced team game incorporating skills similar to rugby union, netball, tag rugby and touch. One team is Kioma while the other is taniwha. The Kioma team's basic aim is to score tupu manawa tries, while the opposing taniwha team attempt to score tupu wairoa. Te reo Māori is the main language used when playing the game.
Māori because it's basically a New Zealand and Māori sport. Just very fun and enjoyable. I just like getting the tries. It makes me feel happier. I love the feeling when you just block their throw. It makes it feel like you didn't allow them to get a point, and just for an easy pass out to him to get a try. Tēnā koe ngā kuru kaupapa, me te kōrero te reo Māori, aroa nui. Yeah, it just feels great to see what we've done for te reo Māori.
Schools from as far north as Pōtaka and as far south as Flaxmere came to the kura to compete in the Ngā Manu a Rehua Invitational Kī-o-Rahi Tournament. Gisborne's Rehua team won the tournament, beating a Waikirikiri side in the final. Gisborne Kaiako and tournament organiser Rapiata Ria said it was an awesome day.
Just opportunities for our kids to get out and get amongst it. You know, after COVID, it was kind of a dumb kind of space where our kids kind of got missed out on opportunities such as these, bro. And so, yeah, providing the avenue and the space to kind of get together, have a cool day out and enjoy each other's whanaungatanga with the other kura. Bringing our whānau from the top of the coast, from Pōtaka all the way down to Hawke's Bay. So we've got kura o Kīmiora here today from Flaxmere, and we've got the top of the coast, Pōtaka, Rere Kohu, Te Waiu, and others here today. So it's pretty cool.